Hello, my name is Sophia Howard, your Farm Stay Superhost. Welcome to the Ranchette.
Je ne veux pas travailler, je ne veux pas déjeuner, je veux seulement oublier et puis je fume. Déjà j'ai connu le parfum de l'amour, 1 million de roses n'embâmerait pas autant. Maintenant une seule fleur dans mes entourages me rend malade. Je ne veux pas travailler, je ne veux pas...
I'm going to explain a few things inside the Ranchette. The first thing you'll find when you walk through the door is the welcome binder. Inside you'll find tips of things to do in Paso, Robles, the Wi-Fi code, as well as checkout instructions. You'll also find the key to the Ranchette for the front and back door. You can leave everything here upon checkout. In the corner is our wellness basket where you can find yoga mats, blocks, weights, and ankle weights to take any sort of workout class that you'd like inside the Ranchette. Please don't take anything outside. And if you'd like a private lesson, reach out to me. I teach Pilates, bar, and yoga classes. Here on the front deck, you can use the barbecue. Please make sure to turn off the propane once you're done. Let's talk about the heating and air conditioning. During the cold season, you can use the wood fire stove. There is a bundle of wood for you to use, and we also have more for sale outside the front door for $8 a bundle. There's a separate video on YouTube on how to light this step by step. We also have 3 Pinguino heaters located throughout the house. Just press the on button to turn it on. This also is an AC unit during the summer. We also provide several small space heaters and fans throughout the mobile home for your comfort depending on the weather. It's important to note that if you are using the small space heaters, you must use the designated wall outlets located in the master bedroom as well as the twin bedroom in order to prevent the power from tripping to the entire mobile home. There are 2 dedicated outlets in the mobile home for the small space heaters. The first one is located behind the twin bed. This is important because if you plug in the space heater and a hair dryer or any other appliance, it can trip the power to the whole mobile home. So please only use these dedicated outlets for the small space heaters. Don't forget to check out the Howard Ranch Mercantile located in the living room. Here you'll find our farm honey, elderberry syrup, and other crafts and products that we sell. In the welcome binder, we also have a list of other items that we sell seasonally. Thank you for staying at the Ranchette. Enjoy your stay and reach out if you have any questions.